Hi guys and ladies and gentlemen, this is Arthur, DNA Realty Group. Today I have with me my CPA, Mark Gordon. Introduce yourself.
Morning, everybody. My name is Mark Gordon, and I work for the CPA firm of O'Brien, Fitzgerald, Taylor and Caveney here in Waltham, Massachusetts.
Thanks, Mark. So I wanted to do this interview really quickly because today's March 27th and April 15th around the corner, right? So
Yes,
what's
it is.
April 15th?
That's our tax deadline.
Tax
Actually, it's
deadline.
April 17th this year because of the holidays.
Did they move it back?
Yeah.
Look at that. You already gave them a first tip. So now give them another tip. One thing they have to do to prepare or get ready for the average person as tax deadline is approaching.
Well, you have to make sure you have all your income and receipts. And sometimes people miss certain income items, like they forget their broker statements, they forget miscellaneous 1099s. Some people have gambling winnings that they forget to give and things of that nature. But on the expense side, if you already have your own business, a lot of people don't properly do their automobile deduction properly. It's very important that you give me all your automobile detailed records, such as your mileage,
Yep.
your costs for operating the vehicle, such as gas, insurance, repairs and maintenance, payment amounts. Because, people, when they do their taxes themselves, most people don't handle the automobile deduction properly. Some of them double dip and do mileage and the costs.
Yep.
And that's
Makes a
something
lot of
that doesn't
sense.
get captured right.
Perfect. Well, actually, you were the one that helped me set up a corporation in my business and make sure I do everything properly and record my information. So thank you for that.
Oh, you're
So
welcome.
a lot of people, a lot of my clients also have either a business or a side business, and we get a lot of questions about the new Tax Reform Act. Can you tell them maybe 2 or 3 tips that everybody should know about the new Tax Reform Act?
Absolutely, Arthur. There's a few major things that are happening with this Tax Reform Act. The big thing is the individual tax rates are getting cut by a couple of percentage points at all levels. So this is a good thing, especially for the middle class, upper middle class and down. You're definitely going to be saving money in your taxes this year. Another thing is for families that have kids under 17 years old, you're going to get a child tax credit of $2,000 a kid.
Nice.
And it's going to be for income earners of $400,000 and less, and that is huge. Right now, it's $1,000 per kid, and the phase out is at $120,000, and a lot of people don't get that deduction now. So next year, people are going to, families are going to get a good-sized deduction for that.
Yeah.
So that's a huge thing. Another huge thing with the new Tax Reform Act is people that have their own businesses that are flow-through entities,
Yep.
such as an S corp, an LLC, or even a Schedule C partnership.
Yep.
You can, on your ordinary income, you can get a deduction of 20%
Wow.
on your tax return for next year. So that is huge for small business owners. And
That includes me because I'm an S corp.
yeah, so that's going to save you a little bit of money on taxes.
Nice.
And for people that are C corporations, they should really consider converting over to an S corporation because that's going to save them a lot of money.
And if somebody's interested in doing that, you could help them roll that over from a C or S corp or maybe establish a new corporation.
Oh, yes, I can. I've done several clients during this tax season. I'd be glad to help anybody
Awesome.
that's looking to do that conversion.
So those seem like all positive things with the new Tax Reform Act. Is there any negatives or anything anybody has to look out for that may adversely impact them with the new Tax Reform Act?
Yeah, there's a couple of things that are going to adversely impact people, but it shouldn't be too bad. One of them is there's no more exemptions for people.
Oh.
You don't have to deal with exemptions anymore. And you're also getting now limited for $10,000 on your state and local taxes. That includes your real estate taxes, your state taxes you pay to your state, and also your things like your automobile excise taxes and taxes of that nature. So I'm only limited to $10,000. So that's going to impact a few people on that.
Hey, Mark, thanks so much. If you guys have additional questions about anything we discussed or you want more information, I'm sure Mark could send you like a nice PDF. All you have to do is just inbox us or message us on this video. Or you could, better yet, you could contact Mark directly. So why don't you tell him all your information again and how people
Sure.
get a hold of you, phone number, email, all that stuff.
Okay, my email address is mjg@obftk.com. You can either reach me at my office number, 781-893-4010, extension 31, or my cell phone number, 857-636-0666.
And if you can't get a hold of him that way, call me and I'll make sure I get a hold of him. So, Mark, thanks so much for taking the time. We
Thank you,
appreciate
Arthur.
it. Thank
My
you.
pleasure.